The LG SNH5 soundbar is a beast with a pleasing look you can never go wrong with. Plus, being an LG product, we have Thank You incorporated Thank You in. So, first things first, what you get inside the box? First of all, you get the soundbar, which is freaking heavy. It's freaking heavy, and it has the dimensions of 990 times 97 times 125, which is pretty big. Inside the box, you also get a sub, which is slightly lighter. I was expecting a heavy sub because the soundbar was really heavy. You also get an optical cable, which is very nice of LG to put it inside the soundbar. You also get a remote control and a power adapter cable so that you can connect your soundbar to the power and use it. Now we are getting the sweeter things. The soundbar is rated at 600 watts, which it can really get loud. I tell you, it can really get loud. The ideal volume for me was 20, which I found to be so nice when I play my music and when I listen to the YouTube videos. To me, it was a plus. Also, the bass was amazing. For a soundbar, the bass was just at par. And before we talk more about the soundbar and the sub, let's first of all look at the I/O. Behind the soundbar, you'll get your I/O. You'll get 2 HDMI ports, which is amazing, which is cool. You also get an optic cable, which is also nice for them to put it there. And also you get a USB port rated at 3 amps, which means you can also charge your phone with it, but I wouldn't advise you charging your phone with a sub. And here are the greater things. The soundbar has a 4.1 sound channel, which means it supports DTS X, DTS Virtual X, adaptive sound control, and high resolution audio rated at 24 bits or 96 kilohertz. Looking at the specs, you can tell this sub is amazing. First things first, before I tell you more about the sub, be that cool guy, hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post a new video. So if you want to connect devices to your amazing soundbar, which is the LG SNH5 soundbar, you can do it using the Bluetooth. You can also use HDMI ports, or you can also use optic cable. You can connect the optic cable with the television, but I found connecting the optic cable with the television reduces the oomph of the sound or the bass that it produces. But while playing through the Bluetooth, you can really enjoy it. So the quality of the sound, I don't even know, I lack words to express my emotions and joy about this soundbar. It's impressive. For that price tag, it's impressive. First things first, it has an adaptive audio, which means you can connect, it can adapt to the environment and give you the crisp sound or the crisp bass that you like using your environment. It has the Thank You, the brain of the LG to know your surrounding. So let's talk about the price tag. I know it's going to sound a little bit weird for a soundbar to go for that expensive. On the diet days when I ask for forgiveness over my soul. To get this device, you'll have to part away with 50,000 Kenyan shillings. That's around $500. Not much, you can afford it, but for that amount of money, you will love your music. It's hands down the best soundbar I have ever tasted. Maybe. So let's talk about my verdict. what I love about this soundbar, what I don't love about this soundbar, and my final points rating. So, what I loved about this soundbar, the bass, it's amazing. For how it looks, and the sound it produces, it's impressive. I can tell you that. It's really impressive. Hands down, the best soundbar I have ever tested, as I said earlier. You can see the joy in me when I talk about this soundbar because the LG SNH5, it's really a beast. The sound, the looks, the performance of this soundbar is impressive. So I'll just give it let me see. I'll just give it a 9 out of 10. It's a really nice soundbar. And if you want the best sound experience, go for this soundbar. And I know it's a little bit expensive for many people, but if you have 50,000 Kenyan shillings, go for it. I give it a thumbs up for this soundbar. Of course, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, smash that bell icon so that you'll be notified each and every time that I do these amazing videos about the technology, about anything that you love. And this is a journey to 1,000 subscribers. Please, I beg, please subscribe so that you can reach the target. Until next time, peace out.